Welcome to Krishna Engineering, pioneers in powder coating plants and equipments since 1989. Today, we're thrilled to introduce our cutting-edge, gas-fired powder coating plant, a testament to our commitment to innovation and excellence. At Krishna Engineering, we understand the critical role powder coating plays in enhancing durability and aesthetics. Our gas-fired powder coating plant in Maharashtra is designed to revolutionize your coating process. One key advantage of our gas-fired plant is its unparalleled energy efficiency. By harnessing the power of gas, we've significantly reduced energy consumption, translating to lower operational costs for your business. Precision matters. Our plant ensures uniform and precise coating thickness, enhancing the quality of your finished products. Say goodbye to inconsistencies and hello to impeccable results. Time is money in the manufacturing world. Our gas-fired technology boasts rapid heating capabilities, reducing downtime and increasing your production efficiency. Your deadlines matter, and so does our plant. We care about the environment. Our gas-fired powder coating plant is designed with eco-friendly features, minimizing emissions and waste. Join us in building a sustainable future for the industry. Adaptability is key in today's dynamic market. Our plant offers versatility, accommodating a wide range of coating applications. From small components to large structures, Krishna Engineering has you covered. In conclusion, at Krishna Engineering, we don't just provide powder coating plants. We deliver solutions that elevate your business. Our gas-fired powder coating plant in Maharashtra is a testament to our commitment to your success. Choose excellence. Choose Krishna Engineering. Contact us today, and let's transform your coating experience together.